united as a group and that Etche is PDP and PDP is Etche. We don't have any other thing to tell you than give your wives to your leaders in Etche. We will deliver. We will give you what you want for the mere fact that you gave us what we have not had before. Etche, to tell you that Etche is PDP, to tell you that we are going to deliver 100% continue to PDP. Excellency, you are welcome once more. Thank you and God bless you.
Having done all this for Etche, what shall we give in return? First of all, the only way we can satisfy our conscience is to make sure that first and foremost, no party gets 25% in Etche. Your Excellency, I am very grateful. We shall preach to our people when we get to the localities of all the things you have done. Some of us here who were sold in the past 8 years have now become poor. We shall preach the gospel of Nyesom Wike.
Count your blessings, name them one by one. It will surprise you what Nyesom Wike and PDP have done in Etche local government area. Are you simplified? Do you want to continue with this good work? Do you want to consider what the Wike have done? If you are sure that the governor have done well, please, can I ask your hands up? If you are simplified. If you are simplified, on that day, 25th March, all of you should come out to your number and vote for Fubara.
Your Excellency, I want to, on behalf of all the candidates from Etche and Omuma, accept the responsibility of flying this wonderful flag of our great party, PDP. PDP is the biggest platform anywhere in Africa for anybody to seek for electoral victory. The reason is all the jobs has been done, especially in Rivers State, and also in Etche and Abomba.
We are not going to be ungrateful to Chief Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike has made us to remember that we are brothers and friends. Gentlemen, this is the moment for Etche to demonstrate that they love Wike, and you are going to do it for your BBC.
The SIM will a concluded issue.
SIM is SIM card. Everybody is with his key SIM card here. If you push it, it moves.
She is here, one who is going to represent Etche people. The second person who will be representing Etche in the House, Honorable Gracious Owuka, to go and fly the flag of Etche people.
PDP, power to the people. PDP is Etche and Etche is PDP.
Now so,
we have done very, very well in Etche, and it is the time for you to tell us you did well. We will continue with you. We will support you. We will protect you. Because you understand the vision, we are consolidating on ensuring that courts will not be closed again.
no way.
We are consolidating on salaries will be paid regularly, which is what we are doing, and gratuity. We are consolidating on ensuring that state assets will not be sold to our friends.
No more.
Those are the areas of our consolidation. Ensure that this remaining few days that INEC has provided for us, ensure that every PVC remaining there is collected. That is our instrument. That is our spare. That is our arrow. That is our machete, or whatever you want to call it, to deliver this team. And what is the team? ensuring that for PDP, for state, it's not in dispute. Fubara is going to win the election.
Not so!
It's prophetic. Fubara will win. There's no doubt. I'm not desperate. I'm not fake. I'm not a gambler. So you know that I will win the election.
Not so!
Because of my competence.
We said we are going to do Umuori Road. Did we do it?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone there?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
We said we are going to give you campus of university. No, so
Yes, sir.
have you done it?
Yes, sir.
You don't go there?
Yes, sir.
The school there?
Yes, sir.
Fine. We came again.
Hello. Wike, my governor.
Now you know, from Chokocho to Ibodo, you know what it was. Not be so?
That's so.
To go to okay, it was a problem. Not be so?
That's so.
Not be so?
That's so.
Did I tell you I would do it?
Yes, sir.
I told you.
Yes, sir.
Have I done it? Have I done it?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
I told you, Etche people, this time around, you must go to Senate. Not be so?
Oh,
Not be so?
that's so.
I don't give you.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't give you.
Yes, sir.
I tell you lie.
No way.
So, our own is not to tell you to do something.
No.
Our own is one will tell you that we will do something, I will do it.
That's so.
Not be so?
That's so.
Will you abandon those you are sure to those you are not sure?
No
You
way.
want to follow those bogey people,
No way.
those lie people.
No
You
way.
go follow them.
No way.
No, not gonna make sure say nobody go take our vote. You go give other people our vote.
No way.
You go give other people our vote.
No way.
I tell people, those of them in Abuja who are talking about anti-party, we don't catch them now. Now then they do the anti-party. I don't catch them now. And I told them, anti-party begins anti-party. Anti-party begins what?
Anti-party.
You know, say, we carry this small party here. When you do what the law talk, we carry them go court. APC, SDP, we carry them go court. And I see what they do now. The people waiting for Abuja always say they be national. They can't go collude with them. Go write our lawyer letter. Make our lawyer remove hand. In order to kill the cases we will file. I don't tell our lawyer, make them remove hand. The case go down, it's no problem. But I heard you talk.
Yes, sir.
Me too, I will hit them back by tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will hit them back by tomorrow. We are voting for our people here. Not so.
Now, so.
You cannot. Now you have told us you are doing anti-party. We'll show you what anti-party is.
Yes, sir.
We have not caught them
Handed.
Now let's start anti-party. Now let's start. We will know the anti-party. Anyway, it has been in their blood. It has been in their
blood. Yes, sir. We can pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Mr. President, pepper them. Oh, yes, sir. We can pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Yes, sir. We can pepper them. Oh, pepper them. Mr. President, pepper them. Oh, pepper them.
So I thank all of you now. But I don't say these few days we get na battle to finish.
That's all.
Na battle to
Finish.
Na battle to
Finish.
If you say we no dey, you no go dey.
No go dey.
No be so.
That's all.
Make una go home, prepare. And we are fully prepared in this election.
That's all.
We are fully prepared. If you didn't dey,